is Vlogmas day 6, guys. Day 6. That means we got 19 more days until Christmas. Y'all, 19 more days. The countdown is still on. It is still on, guys. We're still going. Can't believe it. Can't believe it. It's crazy. It's crazy. So it's currently like 3:14 p.m. in the afternoon. And guys, today's vlog is going to be pretty interesting. And you guys are going to like it. You guys are really going to like it. Like, you guys are really going to like it. So today, guys, I'm going to be remodeling my house with Christmas decorations, putting up my Christmas tree. Yay! I'm excited. I'm excited. So I'm going to show you guys. Let me show you. Let me show you. Let me show you. So, guys, this is what my day consists of, is remodeling everything, putting everything up and stuff like that. So, yup, I'm excited. I'm excited. So, guys, make sure you give this video a big old thumbs up. Make sure you comment below. And make sure you subscribe. And make sure notification is on too, guys, because don't miss the video that's coming tomorrow. So, yep, guys, let's get started. Guys, it's crazy. I am so tired. I am hungry. I need some food. I'm gonna take a little break, get something to eat, and then come back. I just got done remodeling the whole living room / dining room and stuff like that. And I got done doing everything, and now the next thing I'm about to do is decorate everything. So that's what I'm about to do next. So